what do you say? Hold me near, what do you say? Kissing's not a pastime that's new. Queens are not above it, so you should love it. Show some pep, what do you say? Go a step out of your way. It may thrill you, it can kill you. Oh, outside of no, what do you say?
It's not the canoe, it isn't the river or skies that are blue, it isn't the love dreams that bring joy to you. It's a girl, oh, it's a girl. It isn't the Brooklyn that you always wander to. It isn't the mountain flowers or the morning dew. It isn't the love nest that brings love to you. It's a girl that makes you happy, and it's a girl that makes you blue. You up and out them. What a lonely world would be without them. It isn't the songbirds, the song that they sing. It isn't the sunshine that makes you like rain. So what is this magic that makes all the thing? It's a girl, it's a girl.
If you want to win your heart's desire, sweet melodies of love inspire romance. Just murmur da-da-dee, da-da-dee, and when you do, she'll answer da-da-dee, da-da, and nestle closer to you. Learn to cruise, you'll eliminate each rival soon. If you're heading for a sunny honeymoon, learn to cruise.
And find your arms around me, I know I'll never have to dream again. If I should wake and feel your lips surrender to mine, I'd just be wasting precious time in dreaming. In all my dreams it seems that you are near, dear, but when I wake you always disappear. If I should wake to hear you say you'll always remain, that's when I'll never have to dream